In today's video, I will teach you how to make letterheads in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the search bar on the homepage, type in the keyword letterheads. Here, there are a few design options for specific letterhead designs. There are creative letterheads, law firm letterheads, and artist letterheads. But if you would like to explore more templates in Canva's extensive template library, you can simply search letterheads. There are thousands of templates to choose from, and if you have a more specific design in mind, simply enable the filters on the left side to remove the designs that you don't like. You can also choose the theme as well as the color palette of your letterhead. Also, take note of the tag on the template. If the template has this crown tag, it means that you need to upgrade to Canva Pro to be able to use this template. Once you've chosen your desired template, you can now customize it in accordance with your preference. In the Elements tab, you can add lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, and collections that contains a graphics pack. You can also upload your own photos to make the letterhead more personal. And in the Text tab, you can set your text as a heading, subheading, or a text body, and you can also choose among the font combination presets to make your text look more interesting. You can also animate your letterhead by clicking on the Animate button at the top panel. And you can also edit each element separately by clicking on the element and select Edit Image. You can now go ahead and play around with the settings until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save it to your computer if you would like to print the letterhead on your own. But Canva also has a print on demand option. Simply click on the Print Letterheads button and adjust the settings to your preference. Once you're satisfied, you can now fill out the billing and shipping information, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.